Good morning, this is my Shaman Oracle reading for Sunday. Today I'm reading for all 12 zodiac signs. I'm using 2 card decks. One is an animal deck called the Illustrated Bestiary, and the other one is the Power of Love. This reading here is for Capricorn. Welcome, Capricorn. The animal card for you is Pileated Woodpecker. And the woodpecker says, free your inner fire. The woodpecker drums with abandon. He will tap on trees, rain gutters, and garbage cans. His noise, a gift from the gods of storms and thunder. Can you give yourself over to this type of passion? Can you dance the primal rhythm that calls the rain? Our critical minds often get in the way of our creativity and joy. So a big part of your brain's job is to keep you safe, and giving into passion can be dangerous. But a woodpecker has a secret. He wraps his very long tongue around his brain to protect it from his concussive rhythm. Woodpecker is calling you to get in sync with moving and dancing and drumming. How can you free your inner fire? Ask this question. And the Power of Love card is Discernment. You are developing the skill to distinguish love from fear and truth from illusion. One of the hardest lessons to grasp while living in this physical dimension is the art of discernment. Life is a series of choices, and you always want to make the right one for your soul's evolution. Discernment is not judgment. Discernment is living your life with a recognition of what is in alignment with your unique path. When you are centered in your being and aware of your own powers, you are able to see the love and the truth in everything and everyone. Intuition is the language of your soul, so it is imperative that you understand how your soul speaks to you. And the best ways for you to do so is to listen. When you utilize discernment in your daily life, choices become easier, and manifesting the best possible outcome doesn't seem like a matter of chance. The wonderful Shakespeare adage, "To thine own self be true," encapsulates discernment perfectly. Remember, what seems important to you may not be to someone else. So when you use discernment, understand that it is for your own benefit and your own growth. And what is beneficial to you on your path to self-acceptance ripples outward to those around you. When you know yourself, love yourself, and honor who you are, you become aligned with your divine self. When this happens, you attract only good into your life. So Capricorn, that was your reading. Thank you very much for listening. I wish you a wonderful Sunday today. Take care and goodbye.